Meat lovers, pasta sauce?
Anything meat lovers is right down my alley. But she always knocks it out of the park.
So wait till it boils, drop the salt, and then drop your pasta. Whatever the temperature is on the bag, or I mean the cooking time is on the bag, subtract a minute and a half to 2 minutes. The reason we do that is because of a thing called carryover cooking. We're going to marry all of the pasta with all of the sauce. Therefore, during that process, it's going to continue cooking. When you have a meaty, chunky sauce like this one, you want a pasta that'll stand up to that. So we used Paccheri. It's a shape that's similar to like a big rigatoni.
Sure.
If you're using a more delicate sauce, you want a long, thin pasta. Right? It's about the weight of the sauce.
Sure.
So in the pan, the 3 meats, I've got a display of them here. We start with pancetta, rolled cured meat similar to bacon but not smoked. Once the pancetta browned, I added 1 small onion, finely chopped, and some garlic. Then we browned some ground beef. That's the ground sirloin there. And you can add your choice of spicy or mild Italian sausage. I threw in some spicy because I know you. Then we're going to add in a little fennel seed or ground fennel or fennel pollen to the sauce. Ground beef goes beautifully with ground sage. A little wine. Can I have some of our red wine?
Yes, you do.
This is Netto d'Avola, Sicilian black grape. Very affordable, very fragrant, full of delicious flavor. And of course, we're cooking the alcohol out and concentrating the flavor down. We're adding a little bit of beef stock and a small amount of Italian canned, crushed, or diced anything, about 2 cups of tomato product of any kind. And that's it. We're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, we'll serve this up. This is the important part. This is the marriage of the sauce to the pasta, the starchy water, the Paccheri, and all of the sauce to all of the pasta. And then you marry it by using good fruity olive oil or melted butter or both. You need the fat to make the emulsification of the sauce to the pasta.
You need the fat. So you need the fat.
It's good fat. It's olive oil. It's good for you. Okay, so here we go. Pasta, the way my mommy used to dish it out with the coffee mug.
Just go with a coffee mug and just put it on your plate.
This is down home, baby. This is, yeah.
It's the real thing.
And then you use the big pretty cheese up on top, make it snow.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Ladies first. There you go, Sonny.
Sorry, Jess.
And now Jess.
I've already paid you for food.
Oh, Jess.
So
you
good.
love the meat.
Get some pepper.
Yeah.
Yes. We didn't want, in our Get On Up show, everybody to go home empty-handed. So actually, I love this company. I have a bag of theirs. They're amazing. Everyone is going to go home with a really cool, like, kind of door prize. It's from Biaggi, and it's a beautiful pack sack. Biaggi pack sack, packable backpack. Whoa. That's a ton of... Biaggi, we